All right, so I thought I would share with you what happened today. Do you consider yourself controlling? Control freak is a terrible word, but when it comes to producing or helping support my clients, or trying to facilitate an engaging, amazing event online, yes, I want to stay in control of all the details and help and be supportive as much as possible so everyone feels calm, cool, collected, and excited. Well, I want to share with you what happened today. I was producing for a client, and sometimes we're using another client's platform. So I have all the platforms: Zoom, WebEx, MS Teams, but sometimes we're not on my platform, or sometimes we're not even on my client's platform, who I am supporting. We're on their client's platform. So there's less control. So there's meetings that need to happen ahead of time, making sure settings and all the capacity, and we go through all of that. So we've been meeting for a while. Everything's been going great. And my client's client made me host. I always want to be host because then I have maximum control. And if anything happens, I can quickly be reactive in real time and take care of everything that people don't even know what's happening in the background if there are texts, things or needs. So the client makes me host, and then they go out of the room. Sometimes when they're there, there's pros and cons to that. But that person left, and we did all the stuff, and I had them in breakout rooms, and I just sent the message of, I'm bringing you back now, because I like to do that, not cut people off. And I'm about to click end breakout rooms and then restart up the recording because it was on pause. And all of a sudden, all of that went away. I don't know if you've been there too, where that has happened to you, where all of a sudden I'm not seeing breakout rooms. Nothing that I have control over is there. And then I realize, and this is all happening within a split second, I realize that the client's back. It's made them host, and I'm not even a co-host. I'm a participant. So I tell the person really quickly, oh, the platform made you host again when you returned. And then that person made me host, but they made my backup computer host. So I wasn't looking at my backup computer. I'm looking at my main computer where I'm controlling everything. And they said, oh, I made you host. And this is all happening, has to happen really quickly. So I then go to my backup computer, make myself who's host, make my other self host, so I can control it all here where I have everything. I have the backup set up for a good reason, but I have everything, it flows. And I want to continue the flow quick. And when things go out of our control, we have to be able to recover quickly, not panic, not get anyone else stressed, and not let everyone know what's happening. So I went off camera, I muted myself, I took care of transferring the host, and then I ended the breakout rooms and restarted the recording. I think it all worked out just fine, and everyone didn't even realize what was going on, except for one of the other co-hosts was wondering, after I said, I'm bringing you back now, why it wasn't happening instantaneously. So it just got me thinking of that, yes, wanting to control everything. And sometimes it's okay that things get out of our control, because we can know for next time, I'm even faster going to look at my backup computer. Every experience builds and sets us up for success for the next one. So being in control and wanting to be in control is not a bad thing. What is really important is to not panic, to recover quickly, and just embrace the experience, part of that foundational platform going forward. Thanks for checking this out. I hope that this story, real time sharing what has happened, is helpful to you as well, of the pro tip of just have some of those recovery plans ready, or learn from all the things that happened to me. I share with you as well. Again, my name is Patricia Regier, and my hope for you is that you can facilitate engaging learning experiences for your audience to turn into participants, for you to feel connected with the experience as well. And tune in next time. Thanks for watching or listening or reading about this.